Hey guys, it's me, Sienna, and today I have slime. So I have this mini white slime. I made this on my free time by myself. I have this slime that I made in my YouTube video for sienna Landreth. Go make sure you check it out. And then this is a part of my sister's slime smoothie. And so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be mixing these all together, then fixing them with weird items. And those weird items are dish soap, hand sanitizer, perfume, body lotion, shampoo, and men's body cream. First, let's mix this gray slime smoothie slime, this white slime, and this purple slime. Go ahead and mix the slime smoothie with the purple slime. So let's put that down. There we go. This right there. Ooh. And then just mix it. These slimes are all very hard, that's why I chose them. And I'm going to split them up in 6 sections because I have 6 items. I'm trying to mix this in. Oh, it's working. Yes. Okay. So I mixed that in pretty well. Now I'm going to mix the small little white one. Yeah, and it'll be easy to mix, I hope. Now it's fully mixed in, and my first item was dish soap, I think. So let's go ahead and split it into 6 sections first. So let's go ahead and mix the dish soap into section 1. I'm going to be adding like little by little, pouring it into this container. I'm going to go like, I don't think I need to use that much, but I'm going to use that much, and I'm not going to pour it all in, but let's see. There's that. Might fix it, who knows? Let's mix it in now. Okay. Oh, gee, ew. Ah! Oh, gross. Okay, I'm going to be like adding some more and mixing it in. Oh, this is disgusting. Now I'm going to be using perfume. I don't know what this one will do. It's by Bath and Body Works, and it's like pink Clifton's. I don't know what this will do. Probably will just make it smell good. I mean, like, so I'm gonna add a few squirts here and there. Ooh. Ew. Oh. Ah, that just made it really hard. Ooh. Like, look. It's really hard. I'm gonna add some more though, because it makes it smell really good. Okay, yeah. Well, this one was a fail, so. Now I'm going to be using the body lotion. World's smallest bottle of body lotion. Okay, yeah. Maybe this will work, who knows? I've never actually mixed body lotion into slime. Have you? Comment down below. Oh, gee. Woo. It made it like all brainy and gutty and stuff. Dang, it's stretchy though. At least I have some successes. I think this was success number 2. What have I already used? I've used body lotion. I've used 3. No, wait, 4. 2 more ingredients to go, right? Yeah. This is my 4th ingredient. Okay, I'm going to use some more body lotion. It makes it, like, feel smooth. I don't know how to explain it. Like, okay. This one was definitely a success. I'm going to have to change sides of the little computer thing. And this computer doesn't work, it's broken. That's why I decided to use that. And it's been broken for a while, so I just use it to play with slime and make slime videos and stuff, because I don't want to get it on my table. So yeah, this one was a success. World's smallest bottle of conditioner. Let's see. Will it make it smooth like the body wash? I bet it will. Oh, I'm trying to squeeze it out, but I can't. there's not a lot in here. Okay, that's about as much as I'll get. Ew. Oh, it made it all brainy and gutty. Yeah, I don't think this will be the same as the body wash. I'm gonna keep mixing it and see. I've been mixing it for about like 5 minutes, and I've been adding some more, and it like feels really smooth, except it's like hard but smooth because I can't stretch it, but it feels smooth. Okay, now on to our last item. Ultra Putty Shaving Cream. So this is also like pretty, like, I can't use it all like I could with the hand sanitizer and all of that. So I'm going to use this bottle and pour it like a little bit into it because this isn't even mine. Yeah, I know I said a little bit, but so I'm just going to start little by little, I guess, like that much, and just mix it in. Let's see. Oh! I sacrificed like all my slimes for this. Wow! It smells interesting, but it worked. Yes, I said interesting. It smells really interesting. I want to put some more. It makes it feel too much, too much. Back in. Now a little. Wow. Okay, yeah. This is definitely a good one. So now I'm going to be mixing them all together. Okay, so first I'm going to do the one I just did. The one with this one. So I'm going to mix this one and the hand sanitizer one together first because I feel like it. Okay, let's see. Still pretty stretchy. Wow. Okay, and now I'm going to do the body wash one. Yeah, I think it was body wash, right? It's body lotion, not body wash. Okay. Okay, that seems pretty good. Now, let's see, what is this? This is the conditioner. Gonna add the conditioner. Wow. Still hard. Man, it wasn't hard till I added the conditioner one. Which one is this? The perfume. Oh. And last but not least, the dishwash one. Okay. It's pretty hard and heavy. Ooh. So I just want to add some of the leftover stuff, like this leftover stuff from this, and I'm going to mix it in all at once. I'm not even going to mix it in separate. Perfume. Dishwash. Body wash. conditioner. And hand sanitizer. Okay, now let's mix this all in and see. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, wow. Ew. Made it like grainy and gutty. Okay, wow. That was fun to do. It smells very bad. Those varieties of combinations together smells horrible. I just realized these all have good scents, but then when you mix them together, then ew. Okay. Whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And go watch my video on the video of me making the purple slime on my channel, Sienna Landreth. And see you guys next time. Bye.